Hey guys, let's go ahead and install the Husky liners, Weatherbeater floor liners in this 2019 Subaru Ascent. The only thing we're gonna use is a pair of scissors. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the front on the driver's side. Now, a couple of things I wanna point out. We've got our pedals up here, accelerator and brake pedal. Back here, this is where we've got our factory bracket that has the fastening points for our liner. I've also got the seat pulled all the way back. You wanna make sure you do that first. That way it's less frustrating to put everything in. So next, I wanna go ahead and introduce our mat. This is our floor liner right here. These holes right here are gonna be lining up to the factory fastening position, so they're actually physically fastened. We've also got cleats on the bottom. They're gonna grip the carpet really well so it doesn't slide around. So let me show you what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set it in like so, lift it up off of the carpet. Now I'm gonna go underneath the pedals and kind of push it as far forward as possible, keeping it off the carpet. Now I'm gonna go ahead and line up these two holes right here to the bracket, and then you just force it right over top of those holes, and that is installed. The other side goes in even easier because you don't have to worry about foot pedals and you don't have fastening positions. Just set it in and drop it in. Now let's go ahead and work on the rear. Okay, so here is the liner for our second row. I'm gonna go ahead and set it across our second row seats real quick. I wanna point out a couple of things. Number one, because this liner has been shipped across the country, kind of folded in half, sometimes it will lose this shape right here. So you can just kind of massage it back into place. If it's being stubborn, you can take either a hair dryer, run it across there for a little bit, or just let it sit out in the sun, and it'll go right back into place really easily. I also have the front seats pushed all the way forward and upright to give me plenty of room. But if your Subaru Ascent has this optional cup holder, then you're going to need to trim out this little piece right here. I'm gonna take a pair of scissors and just trim right along here and cut that piece out. All right, next we can go ahead and set it into place. We're gonna just kind of drop it in like so, line it up, press it into place, and we're good to go. Perfect. Well, it's just that simple, and now you're ready for whatever life has to throw at you.